Artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles. Never before has the outlook for technological advancement been so rich and full of innovative ideas for a better future. Did you know that all of these technologies have one thing in common? They're all enabled by ion implantation. But what is this technology all about? With ion implantation, ions are implanted into a semiconductor compound. This process allows precise control over doping levels and ensures tailoring the electrical properties of the material with high accuracy. Coherent foundries implant all sizes of substrates, from irregular shapes as small as a few millimeters squared all the way up to 300 millimeter wafers. And we're not limited to implanting standard silicon. We implant other semiconductor compounds, such as gallium nitride, silicon carbide, gallium arsenide, indium phosphide, and specialty materials such as diamond, lithium niobate, lithium tantalate, and others. We perform implants from high energy to high current, as well as hot and cold implants, with temperatures ranging from above 650 degrees Celsius for silicon carbide and power device applications to liquid helium temperature for quantum applications. Ion implantation technology sounds like a complex and sophisticated process. Well, it is. And there isn't a one-size-fits-all ion implantation tool that can handle all possible applications. Each tool is tailored to generate specific ions and to work with particular chemical species. So, what is the right approach for ion implantation? Keeping it in-house or outsourcing? Setting up ion implantation in-house is costly, consumes limited floor space, energy, and water resources. It demands a team of skilled experts for operation and maintenance. To sum it up, in-house represents high consumer resource loading with unpredictable costs. But what if there were a more efficient and simpler solution? Outsourcing represents low consumer resource loading with fixed pay-per-wafer pass costs. With outsourcing, you can bypass the costs and constraints of in-house equipment. Specialized service providers handle the entire ion implantation process with ease and strict adherence to quality processes. Coherent is a leader in ion implantation with nearly 50 years of experience, 3 foundries in the US and Taiwan, and serving over 200 commercial microelectronics manufacturers and R&D centers worldwide. Avoid financial surprises and focus on your core manufacturing competencies, including design and packaging. When working with Coherent, you benefit from technology leadership and a broad portfolio, fast turnarounds, global presence, and our commitment to quality, innovative technologies, scalability, and flexibility. Coherent, your trusted partner for ion implantation, enabling technological advancement for a better future.